Hi, everyone. My name is John.
And I'm Emma. Welcome back. We're happy you're here.
Today, we're going to have a very natural English conversation.
Yes, we will talk slowly and use easy English.
Our topic today is renting an apartment and asking about a room.
This is something many people do. Maybe you're moving to a new city. Maybe you're starting a new job or school.
Or maybe you just want your own place.
That's right. We'll use simple English and we'll explain many useful words during our conversation.
So, let's begin.
So, John, how's your morning?
Pretty good. I woke up early today. I made some coffee and went for a short walk.
That sounds nice. Was it hot outside?
Not really. It was cool and quiet. I like mornings when there aren't many people outside.
Me too. I think mornings are peaceful.
How about you?
I had a busy morning. I cleaned my apartment a little, then I answered some emails.
You're always organized.
I try. My apartment is small, so if I don't clean it often, it becomes messy very quickly.
That's true. Small places get messy fast.
Speaking of apartments...
Oh, that's our topic today.
Exactly. I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
If you wanted to rent a new apartment today, what would be the first thing you would look for?
Good question. I think the first thing is the price.
Really? Before the location?
Yes, if it's too expensive, I can't rent it anyway.
That's true.
What about you?
I think location is first for me. I don't want to drive for 1 hour every day.
Yeah, that makes sense. Living close to work is really nice.
And money.
And money.
Exactly.
Do you remember your first apartment?
Oh, yes. I remember it very well.
What was it like?
It wasn't very big. It had 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a tiny kitchen, and a small living room.
Was it nice?
It was okay.
That's not a very exciting answer.
Well, it wasn't beautiful. The walls were old. The carpet was brown.
Brown carpet?
Yes, very old brown carpet.
That sounds like an old apartment.
It really was. But it was clean, and the rent was cheap.
That's important.
Yes, I didn't have much money then.
I understand.
What about your first apartment?
Mine was even smaller.
Really?
Yes! I could stand in my kitchen and almost touch the refrigerator and the sink at the same time.
That's tiny.
It was. My friends joked that it was a toy apartment.
Did you like living there?
Actually, yes. It was my first place. I felt independent.
That's a great feeling.
Let's imagine something.
Okay.
Let's say I'm looking for an apartment.
Great.
I find an apartment online.
Then what?
I call the landlord.
Good idea.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Yes, it's still available.
Great. Could you tell me more about it?
Sure, it has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a small kitchen.
How much is the rent?
It's $950 a month.
Does that include utilities?
Good question. Water is included, but electricity and internet are not.
I see.
Would you like to visit the apartment?
Yes, please.
How about tomorrow afternoon?
That works for me.
Perfect. See you tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Those are very useful sentences.
Yes, let's repeat a few important questions.
How much is the rent?
Is it still available?
Does the rent include utilities?
Can I see the apartment?
These are common questions.
You'll hear them often.
So now you visit the apartment.
I'm a little excited.
And maybe a little nervous.
Yes.
What do you look at first?
I check if everything is clean.
Good idea.
Then I look at the windows.
Why the windows?
I love natural light.
Me too. A bright apartment feels happier.
Exactly.
I always check the bathroom.
Really?
Yes. I turn on the water.
Smart.
I also open the cabinets.
That's something many people forget.
And I ask questions.
Like what?
Is there parking?
Good one.
Are pets allowed?
That's important for animal lovers.
Is there laundry in the building?
Oh, yes. Carrying clothes somewhere else every week is not fun.
Definitely not.
Have you ever seen a really bad apartment?
Oh, yes.
Tell me,
I visited one apartment a few years ago.
what happened?
The pictures online looked beautiful,
That's a good sign. Maybe.
but when I arrived,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
it looked completely different.
Really?
Yes, the walls had marks. The floor was damaged.
That's disappointing.
The apartment also smelled strange.
Oh, no.
I stayed only 5 minutes.
That's quick.
Then I politely said, "Thank you, but this apartment isn't right for me."
That's a nice way to say no. I also had a funny experience.
Let's hear it.
I visited an apartment with my sister.
Okay,
Everything looked perfect.
nice.
The kitchen was modern.
Great.
The bedroom was big.
Even better.
Then, suddenly,
What?
a very big dog ran into the room.
What?
The landlord forgot to tell us he had a dog inside.
Were you scared?
At first, yes.
Then?
The dog was actually very friendly.
That's good.
He wanted us to play with him.
So the apartment visit became a dog visit.
Exactly.
Let's talk about roommates.
Good idea.
Have you ever had one?
Yes, I lived with my college friend for 2 years.
Was she a good roommate?
Most of the time.
Most of the time. That sounds interesting.
She was nice, but she loved loud music.
Even at night?
Sometimes.
Oh,
We talked about it politely.
that's important.
Communication solves many problems.
I agree.
Did you ever have a roommate?
Yes, my roommate loved cooking.
That sounds wonderful.
It was, until he cooked fish every Friday. The whole apartment smelled like fish.
Oh no.
We opened every window.
Did it help?
A little.
If someone is looking for a room, what questions should they ask?
Good question.
Let's make a list.
Ask how much the rent is.
Ask if utilities are included.
Ask if internet is available.
Ask if guests are allowed.
Ask about quiet hours.
Ask how many people live there.
Ask if there are any house rules.
These questions can save you from problems later.
I also think it's important to trust your feelings.
What do you mean?
If something feels wrong, don't ignore it.
That's good advice.
Maybe the apartment is nice, but the landlord isn't respectful.
Or maybe the roommates don't seem friendly.
Exactly.
Home should feel safe and comfortable.
I couldn't agree more.
Let's imagine one last conversation.
Okay,
I'll be the person looking for a room.
I'll be the owner.
Hi, I saw your advertisement online.
Hello, thanks for calling.
Is the room still available?
Yes, it is.
Can you tell me about it?
Of course. It's a private room in a shared apartment.
How many people live there?
2 other people.
Are they students?
One is a student and one works at a hospital.
Sounds nice. Is the neighborhood quiet?
Yes, it's a calm area with stores and a bus stop nearby.
That's great.
Would you like to come and see the room?
Yes, I'd love to.
How about Saturday morning?
Saturday works perfectly.
I'll see you then. Renting an apartment can feel stressful,
Yes, especially the first time.
but asking questions helps.
Taking your time also helps.
Don't choose too quickly.
Compare different apartments.
Think about your budget.
Think about the location.
Think about your daily life.
After all, you'll spend a lot of time there.
That's true.
Well, John, this was a fun conversation.
It really was.
I hope everyone learned some useful English today.
Remember, you don't have to speak perfect English.
Just speak a little every day.
Practice simple conversations.
Ask questions.
Listen carefully.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Every mistake helps you improve.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
We hope to see you again in our next conversation.
Take care.
Bye, everyone!
Bye.